Happy 16th birthday, Kuya Dion. Padayon na sa imong pag-eskwela, Kuya, ha. Paningkamot para pag-abot sa panahon, maging successful sa kinabuhi. Unta, Kuya, tagaan ka permente sa Ginoo, maayong panglawas, i-guide ka niya permente sa matag-adlaw nga tanan. Ayaw kalimot sa pag-ampo, pagtawag sa iya sa matag-adlaw nga tanan, Kuya. Unta, happy ka sa imong birthday, o no sa uyab, ha. Ayaw sa uyab-uyab. I-priorities na imong pag-eskwela. Puhunan ng uyab. Daghan ka ayog babae. Kay kagwapo nimo. Magpila na pag-abot sa panahon kung maging successful na ka. Dili na nimo kailangan mangita. Happy birthday, Kuya! We love you!
Happy birthday, Kuya Dion. Enjoy your day and be happy always. Study hard and be a good Kuya. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dion! Ayan, Kuya Dion. Sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng sobrang daming blessings, top protection din, at saka guidance, at saka padayon lang sa imong pag-eskwela, Kuya. Dayon sa pagkamaayo o amping pirmi o amping ipon mong mama, papa nimo o mga igsuon nimo, Kuya. God bless o unta mag-enjoy ka sa imong birthday karon na yan.
Birthday?
Oh. Happy birthday, Kuya Dion.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dion.
Hi, Kuya Dion. Happy 16th birthday. Tito Manoy here. And now that you're a sweet 16th celebrant, wow, time flies so fast. Teenager ka na din, Kuya. And I'm just remembering those days na we were just a child, you were just a kid. And sabay pa tayo naglalaro, sabay pa tayo natutulog. And also, pinapailatik kita, inaaway pa kita. But now, as you're getting older, and I am seeing your accomplishments, your achievements in life, and I'm really proud of you, Kuya. And I am also proud that you are a talented person. You're showcasing your talents to everyone, to us, and that makes us proud, more prouder. And on your 16th birthday, I really hope na do more and explore more things in this world, because I know na you can be whatever you want if you let yourself explore the things that you like. Yes, and I really hope, Kuya, na you'll still spread kindness, spread happiness, spread kindness, and spread positivity to other people, because I know na you can give them happiness, you can give them love, not just on your family, not just on yourself, but also to everybody who deserves it. And yeah, that's it. Happy 16th birthday again, Kuya. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope this message finds you well. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya. I love you. Happy birthday, Kuya. I love you.
Happy birthday na. Sana bigyan ko ng birthday at magandang pangangatawan o kalusugan. Tapos muna tayo sa pag-aaral, ha. Okay lang, barkada. Huwag magpababayaan ang pag-aaral. Always be happy, enjoy, at maging mabait, lalong na sa mga kapatid mong bunso. Mama and Papa's love you very much. Love you na. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
I love you.
Hello na, Kuya Dion. Happy 16th birthday. Wish ni Mami na tagaan ka ni Lord ug maayong panglawas. Always safety lang jud sa adlo-adlo nga panglakaw o pag-eskwela nimo. Maalam ni Daddy anda mag-support sa imuha kung unsa man imuhang gusto makuha nga dream in life. I-enjoy lang gid ang pag-eskwela, ayo kay pressure. Salamat kaayo sa imong pagpalangga sa kuha kay Daddy ug sa imong mga manghod. Be humble always, nak, and responsible. Kabalo ko buutan ka, padayon lang gid nak. honest lang jud ka perminti. I love you nak, og enjoy lang gid ang imong life with your friends, best friends and classmates. Thank you nak, I love you and God bless you.